The lawyer of Bollywood star Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, told a Mumbai court on Thursday that Aryan was not even on the cruise raided by anti-drugs officers on October 2nd, so the allegation of drug trafficking against him is absurd. The court was hearing the 23-year-old star son's bail plea in the drugs on cruise case. The bail hearing will continue on Friday. Amit Desai, representing Shah Rukh Khan's son, said the Narcotics Control Bureau or NCB's raid started when he had not even checked into the cruise. He had neither used drugs nor was anything found on him. The allegation of illicit trafficking is inherently absurd. Also, Aryan Khan had no cash when he was on the cruise ship, so he could not have bought drugs, the lawyer added. On the NCB claimed that Aryan Khan had admitted he was about to use charas that was found on Arbaz merchant, his counsel said the admissions were forced. The court knows how people are forced to make these statements, said Amit Desai, who once was actor Salman Khan's lawyer. Aryan Khan was arrested hours after the anti-drugs agency's officers raided a Mumbai cruise ship party in disguise on October 2nd. 7 others, including his friend Arbaz merchant, were arrested on October 3rd. Mr. Desai said even though the investigations were mainly into drugs consumed or bought on the ship, Aryan Khan was dragged into the case. I thank the NCB for its cut-paste job. The first remand application did not have the names of other accused, he said. Desai said the agency later claimed it had found evidence of an international drugs ring on Aryan's WhatsApp and asked for his custody extension based on the arrest of one person, Achit Kumar, an alleged drugs supplier. Earlier on Thursday, the NCB submitted a statement to the court on its investigations into the allegations against Aryan Khan. It told the court that he and all the other accused are linked and their roles cannot be separated. Aryan Khan, accused number 1 for the NCB, sourced drugs and was in touch with some persons abroad who appeared to be a part of an international drug network for illicit procurement of drugs, the anti-drugs agency said. All those arrested are inextricably connected with each other and it is not possible to dissect the role, involvement of one accused from that of the other, it said. The ingredients of conspiracy are clear and evident, said the Bureau, adding that one of the applicants cannot be considered in isolation. On Aryan Khan's defense that no drugs were found on him, the agency said, even though from some accused persons there is no recovery of small quantity of contraband, the participation by acts and omissions of such persons who have acted in conspiracy in the commission of offences forms the basis of this investigation. The situation was such that the quantum of recovery from an individual accused becomes inconsequential. The NCB also said accused number 1 has a role in so far as illicit procurement and distribution of contraband is concerned. It is prima facie revealed that Aryan Khan used to procure contraband from accused number 2, Arbaz, and sources connected to accused number 2 from whose conscious possession, that is shoes, 6 grams of charas was recovered. Aryan and Arbaz have been associated in close collaboration. Aryan Khan is a regular consumer of drugs, the NCB said Thursday afternoon as the bail hearing of Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son resumed. Additional Solicitor General Anil Singh, representing the central agency, referred to on-record statements to claim to the court that Aryan Khan used to consume it for the last few years. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.